Hello my beautiful friend, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here. I want to wish you all my family and friend happy Diwali. Diwali is one of my favorite festival, and if you guys just discover my channel, then yes, I'm from Nepal and Diwali is one of our biggest festival and one of my favorite festival. So I love celebrating Diwali because Diwali we celebrate festival of light, and also we pray the goddess of wealth. The reason we pray the goddess of wealth that she can bring lots of wealth and prosperity in your house. So I love this festival, and definitely I miss being home, and it's not like same like back home, and I try to keep up with a little bit with my culture with my husband. My husband is from Texas and I'm from Nepal, so we definitely have a multicultural house here. I try to bring a little bit of my cultures in my home, but sometimes, you know, the life and busyness I could not. But definitely I celebrate Diwali, and you guys see me that I dress up today in my Nepali outfit that I brought this from Nepal. My mom gave me these earrings. I wore her earrings, and my sister gave me that ring, so I wore her ring and all the bangles. And I love this. Like when I was little, I loved to wear bangles. I used to tell my mom that can I have a bangles, and yeah, she used to buy me always the bangles, and I love the sound, like, you know, the sound it makes. I just love Nepali outfit, and I don't get chance to wear that much, so whenever I get chance to wear my outfit, I get very excited, and I feel it just makes me feel so beautiful. So I love this outfit, and definitely my husband loves when I wear Nepali outfit. My gosh, like in Nepal we decorate our house with lots of lights. It's just like Christmas, and people clean their house, so because the goddess of wealth going to come to your house, so you definitely want to welcome her in your clean nice house, right? And all we decorate with flowers. Like people decorate their house with marigold flowers. They make the garland and they hang this marigold flower garland all over their doors and windows, and oh my gosh, it just looks so beautiful. And this year we plan to go to Nepal for Diwali, me and my husband, and unfortunately because of COVID we could not travel. I'm very sad. Hopefully next year this time we can go to visit my family in a Diwali and celebrate with them. So anyway, this is a very long intro, right? In my home there's a tradition that this tradition I know since I was so little. So and the tradition is that my dad always give gift to my mom, something like gold or silver or diamond, like something like that, the jewelries, like in something what she needs. He always gave a gift to my mom for Diwali gift. So I made this tradition with my husband that he has to buy something for me for Diwali, and this tradition is there since last 6 years. Most of the Diwali we usually go to the Indian jewelry store, and he loves to buy 22 karat gold. If you guys know me, then I love gold jewelry. That's how I grew up, and I love gold, diamond, and all kind of like a stone jewelry, like you see that the ruby, like I love those jewelry. He always give me a gift as a Diwali gift, and this year he asked me what I want, and he was asking me that we need to go to the Indian jewelry store again to buy Diwali gift. And I told him, like, instead of going to Indian jewelry store, I want something from Cartier. This is a gift, Diwali gift from my husband to me. So I'm very excited to share with you what I got for a Diwali gift. Are you guys ready? So here is the box. And as he asked me that do I want the ribbon or the sealed, I asked for the sealed because last time when I bought the just include bracelet, they put the ribbon, but this time I asked for the sealed, and I feel like it looks so fancy and nice. So here is a box, and in this bag what I have here, I think my husband already took the receipt with him, and this is a travel pouch here, and here is a card that says that this is a certificate for the jewelry. I'm gonna keep it like here. Let's open this box, and I'm so excited to share that what I got from Cartier for a Diwali gift. And this is gonna be very special. All my Diwali gifts are special because this is our tradition that, you know, my mom started, and then still we have this tradition that I keep bringing in my home. Let's see. And I talked to my husband. This is so beautiful. I just don't like to even. So here is the box. I guess you guys already guessed that what's inside the box because the size of the box, and I'm super excited to have this item added into my collection. So let's open it. I just love the color of the box from Cartier. So it's ready. Look at this. I got a love ring for a Diwali gift from my husband. I am so excited and happy to have this ring into my collection. This ring comes into gold, rose gold and white silver. I chose gold. I was kind of like thinking to buy rose gold, but at the end I chose the gold one. And also this ring comes into two sizes. This one is a thicker size. Can you guys see? And they have a thinner band also. So it comes with diamond. The one with the thin has a 1 diamond in the middle, and with the thicker you have 3 diamonds. So I chose without diamond. So first when I went to store, I was thinking to buy the thinner band, and that's what I went for because I love small dainty jewelry. Like you can see that I love very small jewelry. And when I tried the thinner band, it did not really look good on my fingers. So when I try the thicker one, it looks much better. So I chose this one. I'm planning to wear into my middle finger, and look at this, looks so beautiful. Sorry I did not get chance to even paint my nails. So yeah, I've been planning to wear into my fingers. This one is I think the 54 size. I think the 53 was also fit good, but I was kind of like, you know, confused between 53 and 54 size, but I chose size 54, and this one comes easily in and out. I'm going to wear this in my right hand, in my middle finger. So this is how it looks, and this is so beautiful, and this is a very special ring. I'm so happy that this added into my collection. I have Justin Clue ring, and even if I wear my Justin Clue and this together, right, like this next to each other, it looks kind of quite nice. I like it. I love this. I almost bought the one with rose gold, but I keep looking at the rose gold and gold. I felt like the gold looks more shinier and it looks much better in my skin tone, so I chose gold one, and I am very happy. This looks very beautiful, and very happy with my Diwali gift purchase. Of course, definitely I asked my husband that I want this one. So now we do is that even like it doesn't matter Diwali or Christmas or anything, so when we give gift to each other, we always buy the gift that what we want from our wish list, instead of just surprising, like, you know. He does surprise me sometimes with like maybe shoes like that, but most of the time we don't usually surprise because I think we are too old, and I just want what I like and what I can wear every day. So I can see myself this ring wearing every day. I wear my Justin Clue every single day. I love my Justin Clue ring, and now I have my love ring. I think I'm quite happy with my Cartier collection right now. So I told my husband yesterday that I think I'm done with right now with the Cartier collection for now. I want some VCA collection now, and he was giving me that eyes like, what? Like, you know, you always like want. Like, yes, I want. Yeah. So here is my love ring, and I'm so happy that this added into my collection. I can't wait to wear this every single day. So yes, that's my small Diwali gift unboxing. And if you guys celebrate Diwali, and if you guys have a tradition that I do, that you buy something every year in Diwali, just let me know down in the comment below, and I would love to have some more ideas to what to buy every year for Diwali. So let me know down in the comment below, and definitely I want to take my husband in a time of Diwali so he can also experience that Diwali fun. But every year in Diwali he go temples with me, and we pray to the goddess of wealth, and we try to do things like, you know, we celebrate Thanksgiving, we celebrate Christmas, we celebrate Diwali, we celebrate everything. Like, our house is very multicultural, and yes, so that's a small gift from my husband to me for Diwali. I hope you guys like my small Cartier unboxing. If you guys like this, then make sure you do thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel before you head out. I appreciate all your love and support. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.